Hi, welcome to Nereal Miniatures. In this video I'm going to show you 3 different and easy ways of how to paint eye lenses for Space Marines. Make sure that you use a brush with a nice tip. I use a Winsor & Newton Series 7 size 0 brush. We start off with our first method, which is the quick method, by base coating the eye socket with a 4:1 mix of White Scar and Mephiston Red. When base coating the eye lenses, make sure that you leave the black in the recesses. In the next step, we apply Blood Angel's contrast paint quite thickly onto the eye lenses. In the next step, we apply our mixture of White Scar and Mephiston Red over the eye lens again. Now we apply Blood Angel's Red contrast paint again, but this time as a thin glaze. So, this is how our quick method of painting eye lenses is looking right now. Now we come to the classical way of painting eye lenses for Space Marines, and we start off by base coating the eye lenses with Khorne Red. Again, make sure that you leave the black in the recesses. In the next step, we apply Evil Sunz Scarlet on the front half of the lens. Now we cover 1/3 of the lens with Wild Rider Red. Now we apply a dot highlight of Fire Dragon Bright on the brightest part of the lens. In the last step, we apply a dot highlight of White Scar in the darkest part of the lens. Maybe you're going to need a few tries to do it properly. So, this is how the classical method of painting eye lenses for Space Marines is looking right now. Now we come to the last method in our video, which is painting glowing eye lenses. We start off by base coating the eye socket of the lens by using Vallejo Deck 10. If you don't have Deck 10, then you can just use Racket Flash instead. In the next step, we apply White Scar on the front part of the lens. In the next step, we need to apply a fluorescent color to the eye lenses of our Space Marine. And you can see I have Fluorescent Orange by AK and I also have Fluorescent Orange by Vallejo. When I want to paint glowing red eye lenses, I don't use Fluorescent Red because this turns out pinkish somehow. So therefore I use Fluorescent Orange now to cover the whole part of the lens. Apply it quite thickly. Now glaze over the eye lens again, but as mentioned, use it as a glaze now, so apply it quite thinly. Now cover the front half of the eye lens again with white scar. Go over the eyelids again with Fluorescent Orange, but apply it as a glaze, so use it quite thinly again. And do it again, and I swear for the last time now. So, our third method is done. I hope that you've liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers!